Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to block someone on Skype. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Skype app and tap on contacts, and now open the contact whom you want to block and tap on the contact name. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find block contact option, so tap on that. And also you can report the contact by enabling this option, and then tap on block, and that's how you can block someone in Skype. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.